he has been granted bail, and he was granted regular bail almost 3 months after he was arrested by the Enforcement Directorate in the Delhi liquor policy scam case. The Aam Aadmi Party chief is likely to walk out of jail as the bail order has to reach the jail first. So yesterday he was granted bail and today he is expected to walk out. The Enforcement Directorate requested the court to grant the probe agency 48 hours to accept bail bonds so that the order can be challenged in the higher court. During the hearing, the Central Financial Crime Fighting Agency had sought to link Arvind Kejriwal to the alleged proceeds of crime and the co-accused, while the defence had claimed that the prosecution has no evidence whatsoever to nail the Aam Aadmi Party leader. Now, leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party have lauded the court judgment and hailed it as Satyamev Jayate.
मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल जी की एक लोअर कोर्ट यानी कि राउज एवेन्यू कोर्ट से जमानत मिलना मुझे लगता है ना सिर्फ दिल्ली और आम आदमी पार्टी के लिए, पूरे देश के लिए एक मील का पत्थर साबित होगी। हमारी पूरी न्याय व्यवस्था के अंदर ये फैसला एक बहुत बड़ी मिसाल बनेगा। उसका बड़ा कारण ये है कि पीएमएलए के मामलों में अक्सर ये देखा जा रहा था कि कोई भी राहत अगर किसी को मिलती है तो लोअर कोर्ट से नहीं, हाई कोर्ट से नहीं, सुप्रीम कोर्ट में जाके कोई राहत मिलती है। हालांकि और मुझे लगता है कोर्ट को साफ हो गई कि इस मामले में कोई भी सबूत केंद्र सरकार के पास नहीं है।
सत्य परेशान हो सकता है, पराजित नहीं, और ये साबित हो चुका है। आज अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को जमानत मिली है। जिस तरह से अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को और पार्टी को खत्म करने की भाजपा ने प्लान किया था, पूरी पार्टी को तोड़ने का षड्यंत्र रचा गया, गठबंधन, इंडिया गठबंधन तोड़ने का दबाव डाला गया, फिर भी अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने संघर्ष का रास्ता चुना। सम्मानीय अदालत ने उनको बेल दी है। बहुत ही खुशी की खबर है। हम आम आदमी पार्टी के कार्यकर्ता पूरे गुजरात में उत्सव मनाएंगे।
You can see the excitement around. We are very grateful to the courts. We have been saying all along कि ये मामला पूरा फर्जी है, पूरा का पूरा मामला भाजपा के कार्यालय में लिखा गया है। एक 54 की रिकवरी 2 साल में नहीं हुई। हम बहुत बहुत आभारी हैं कोर्ट के कि उन्होंने ये ऐतिहासिक फैसला दिया। पीएमएलए के कानून में रेगुलर बेल अक्विटल से कम नहीं होती।
So let's tell you the arguments that took place in the court. What were the arguments that were made by the ASG and what was the argument that was made by Arvind Kejriwal? Let's take a look at that. The ASG's arguments in court being that the proceeds of crime have been funded by Kejriwal's hotel stay in Goa. So it was the proceeds of crime that had been used for his hotel stay in Goa. That was a claim that had been made by the ASG, while saying that the co-accused also got 45 crore rupees in cash. Remember, these are the arguments that have been made in court. The Aam Aadmi Party has time and again been saying, where is the money trail that the Enforcement Directorate is speaking about? In the arguments, also going on to say that the Enforcement Directorate is not doing investigations in the air. There is concrete proof. So after the arguments by Kejriwal's side, where is the proof? There is no evidence for it. The Enforcement Directorate saying that we are not conducting investigations in the air. We have concrete proof in this regard, saying the Chief Minister had good relations with the co-accused Vinod Chauhan. These are the arguments that have been made in the court, going on to say that the bribe money from the South Group had been used for the polls in Goa by the Aam Aadmi Party. These are the allegations that have been made, saying that the Aam Aadmi Party convener had demanded 100 crores in the liquor gate case. So these are the claims that have been made in the court of the demands that had allegedly been made by Kejriwal. Meanwhile, Kejriwal now getting relief from the Supreme Court, after which the India Bloc allies have also come forward to say that Arvind Kejriwal had only been targeted because of political reasons and there is no truth to the allegations against him.
Mr. Arvind Kejriwal getting the bail today restores our faith in our judicial system and our democracy. We have been saying this from the very beginning that the case against Mr. Kejriwal was designed with an ulterior motive to silence him and muzzle his voice during the Lok Sabha elections. But now that he is out, we are sure that he will present his case properly and come out clean. We need leaders like him to be out there on the field, serving the people and
अदालत से अगर अरविंद केजरीवाल को सजा मिले तो आप जेल में रखें। हेमंत सोरेन के साथ में भी यही हो रहा है, विपक्ष के तमाम नेताओं के साथ यही हुआ। ये डरवाने का ये प्रक्रिया है और पूरे विपक्ष को इसी तरीके से डराया गया और इस डराने का लाभ बीजेपी को बहुत मिला। तमाम सारे लोग जेल न जाने के वजह से भारतीय जनता पार्टी में शामिल हुए। ये इनके खिलाफ कार्रवाई चल रही थी।
आज ईडी के मुंह पर एक बहुत बड़ा एक प्रकार से फटकार है। आज ईडी को इस समझ में आ गया होगा कि वो कितनी भी ताकत लगा लें, भारत के लोकतंत्र, संविधान और न्यायालय से ऊपर वो नहीं है। अरविंद केजरीवाल जी जिस प्रकार प्रताड़ित किए गए पिछले कुछ महीनों में, ये पूरे देश ने देखा है।
देखिए, आदरणीय अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को, आम आदमी पार्टी के एक एक कार्यकर्ता को, इस देश के लोकतंत्र संविधान में विश्वास रखने वाली देश की महान जनता को इसके लिए बधाई कि आदरणीय अरविंद केजरीवाल जी वो बाहर आ रहे हैं। भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार के खिलाफ लड़ते हुए विपक्ष और मजबूत होगा। हम और मजबूती से भारतीय जनता पार्टी के खिलाफ जनहित के मुद्दे उठाएंगे।
देखिए, इस बेल के ऑर्डर के आने के बाद भारतीय जनता पार्टी के और भाजपा के साथ साजिश करने वाले तमाम लोगों के चेहरे पर काली छुपी है। ये सच्चाई की जीत है। हम डे 1 से कह रहे हैं कि पूरा का पूरा मामला फेक है, फर्जी है। हम कोर्ट के इस फैसले का सम्मान करते हैं सर झुका के। और आप देखिएगा, आज अरविंद जी बाहर आ रहे हैं। इस फर्जी आरोप में जितने भी नेता आम आदमी पार्टी गिरफ्तार हैं, सब लोग बाहर आएंगे। सत्यमेव जयते।
Now, the BJP, on the other hand, claims that this was not a victory for Kejriwal as he was just granted bail and not acquitted by the court. Listen in.
अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को जमानत मिलने पर आम आदमी पार्टी कह रही है सत्यमेव जयते, ये जीत हुई है। जमानत मिलने का मतलब ये नहीं है कि आज आप कहें हमारे खिलाफ सबूत नहीं है। अब के आपके खिलाफ सबूत थे, इसीलिए तो उसी कोर्ट ने आपको पहले जेल में भेजा और आज तो अब ये भी नहीं अरविंद केजरीवाल जी कह सकते कोर्ट बायस्ड है। उसी कोर्ट ने आपको जमानत दी, तो बड़ा स्पष्ट है अरविंद केजरीवाल जी भ्रष्ट हैं।
Now, with bail to Arvind Kejriwal in the Liquorgate case, there is a flurry of activity in the Aam Aadmi Party camp. As per sources, Arvind Kejriwal's wife, Sunita Kejriwal, will be meeting the Aam Aadmi Party minister, Atishi, and other Aam Aadmi Party leaders, and then heading to Rajghat to pay respects. Sunita Kejriwal will then be reaching Tihar jail at about 4 p.m. So, Sunita Kejriwal expected to be in Tihar jail by about 4 p.m. My colleague Tejri is joining us on the broadcast. Tejri, a lot of activity expected today. Arvind Kejriwal is going to be out of jail and the Aam Aadmi Party seems to be turning it into a show of strength.
Certainly big day for Aam Aadmi Party, Arvind Kejriwal and all the leaders of Aam Aadmi Party as well. Since yesterday, in fact, the celebration began at the residence of Arvind Kejriwal's residence. We saw the party workers, leaders gathered outside Kejriwal's residence, met Sunita Kejriwal as well. If we talk about today's plan, that what we are being told is that Sunita Kejriwal is going to go first to the Rajghat along with all the other leaders of Aam Aadmi Party, say it be from Atishi to Saurabh Bharadwaj to Sanjay Singh, precisely all the senior leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party along with Sunita Kejriwal will be going to Rajghat. Post that they will be going to Jangpura, where Atishi will be sitting on a hunger strike which is regarding the water crisis. Leaders will be accompanying her, supporting her, standing along with her for the hunger strike, and post that as soon as the proceedings in the courts are complete, the bail bonds are furnished, post that the leaders will be moving to the Tihar jail to welcome Arvind Kejriwal when he walks out of the Tihar jail. Remember that it is certainly a big win for Aam Aadmi Party, and that is why since yesterday they have been saying that Satyamev Jayate. They have been posting on the social media that this is what they have been saying since day one. On one hand, where Aam Aadmi Party is hailing that it is their win, it is the truth that always wins. On the other side, it is BJP who is saying that it is judiciary process and there's nothing like a win or lose for Aam Aadmi Party. Allegations yet remain on Arvind Kejriwal as well, but we'll have to see that what the order of the court says. But precisely if you see, yes, Aam Aadmi Party will be in a celebration mode the time when Arvind Kejriwal steps out of Tihar jail, as he stepped out when he was out on interim bail as well.
Okay, all right. So he was granted bail yesterday, but he could not walk out of jail yesterday. Today it's expected at about 4 p.m. Sunita Kejriwal is going to be in Tihar jail. Tejri, thank you for joining us with those details. We'll come back to you for those updates. For the moment, let's shift our attention now to the big story.